Okay, so I've got an under tenancy that we need to have these carpets done. Yes, it needs a lot of work to be done on these carpets. This is going to be quite a challenging job. Look at the corner and the kitchen behind. Well, there's a fair few stains that we're going to try and get up. So when we come here next, we'll see how the job turns out. All right, job done. And I think this came up really well. Quite a lot of stains. Hasn't been cleaned in a while, but we got most of it up and it looks fantastic. We've got an inspection. I've got the real estate agent coming in a few minutes to have a look at it. And I think she's going to be happy, and the new tenant moving in will be quite impressed, seeing that didn't look that great until we worked our magic on it. It's fantastic, so enjoy.